Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed today on this big immersion heater, one of the elements is bad, and when one of the elements is bad, you need to replace both. Easy and simple. Now, the way to replace it, this is a big nut. It doesn't look like nut, but it is a nut, trust me. It's all copper. Okay, so let's fix the phone to a stand and have a look how we're gonna fix that. Now I got it into a vise, and I'll take some big cobra grips like this and see if I can get the nut undone. It doesn't look like it wants to go somewhere, so just some vice grips. Okay, that's good. At one point, yeah, I think he's going. We'll see. Yeah, he's getting undone. That's very nice nut, huh? That's it. Let's have a look at the diameters now. Diameter here is 33.5 millimeters. Diameter here is 32.1. It's around 15 millimeters deep. And this one is 50.1. Okay, well, let's go and buy a new one. Okay, 2 days later, three days later, I don't know, a few days later. This is some really good stuff, Permatex. This one is really good, but I have a little bit of this one. This is good for ovens even. I got the heating element. It took a while, it's a very old one. So had a little bit of problematic experience with it. There we go. The new heating element. Now, I want to say something. This is stainless steel. This is something like copper. And It's made in Varna, Bulgaria. It's not gonna last as long. If you want the heating element to last a long time, it needs to be from the same material. If it's metal, can be metal or a copper one, but if it's stainless steel, it will make a reaction and it's not gonna be that good. Now I got a few heating elements that I went to pick up, and they were with the thread was not long enough, was not sticking out. Can you see? This one is sticking out, and also the gasket here is the correct type, because if you look at the old one, just have a look at the difference in the metal thickness. So big. Yeah. Never mind. This one is hollow on the inside as well. Well, what do we know? Looks okay though. Now, what I was going to say? This is not a rubber one. Still looks like a one or a couple of threads longer. Never mind. Okay, so the gasket maker. This one is hard on the inside, so we'll just use what is in here. We'll make sure that the surface here is clean. Have something like Scotch Brite that will clean the inside nicely, and I will apply from the gasket maker RTV silicone or whatever it is straight to this surface, because you can see this is a porous surface. Yeah, it's not completely good. I have some degreaser as well. That's a paint degreaser, but it will be okay for this application. Maybe I can degrease here as well. Good. I'll just heat it up a little bit. Because it's really cold, it's like -4 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, this looks relatively fine. The gasket maker now. Should I? Definitely the red one is a lot better. But I think this will do the job as well. Okay, good. Let's put some on the heating element on this side. Good. Lovely job. Now, we don't need this excess. Just gonna get rid of it. Good. I think this looks fine now. The washer, the nut actually, it doesn't have a washer. Now I tighten it up just by hand like so. Now I'll leave it next to the heater for a little bit, and I'll tighten it up. I'll tighten it up nicely. That's it. I think that's enough. I'll just grab it with the two spanners and I will give it a nice squeeze. That's it. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. If you specifically need information, that's in Bulgarian, but you can make a screenshot and translate this one. I don't know if the manufacturer is still working, but you never know. That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Okay, so the test didn't go well. The cracked heating element actually leaked straight through the nut. So I had to buy a new one. You can see my other video on how to replace the immersion heater. It's completely separate part, so I'll take this job. So it's not that quick. It's very hard to find the element though. So I'll just start. It's actually good that it's brand new element. I'm only using one of the elements though, it's two elements, so I'm just using the bigger one. One is 1000 watts and the other one is 2000 watts. I don't think the cable here is good enough for 3 kilowatts, so I'll just use one element. And I'll have to get all the electrics right again.